Davey's going to demonstrate how to find the radius of a part. He's going to start by taking his part. He has a 1/4 inch radius gauge here. We're just going to practice with it, see if we get the right size. He's going to start by putting that in his vise, clamping it down. And now he's going to use the hand wheels on the machine so that he can actually see the radius gauge come up on the screen. Now as he moves his hand wheels up and down, you can see we have to get it right in line with that lens that's on there. As he does that, you can see the radius coming up on the screen right here. So he's going to move that until the radius is on his screen, and now he needs to focus it. So we're going to get it real nice and crisp. You can see the outline of it is a little bit fuzzy on the outside edges. If he moves that a little bit, he's going to calculate, or he's going to get it to where the outline is nice and crisp. You don't want fuzzy edges on there. You want it to be nice and crisp the whole way around. The stylus that we have on here, you can see this is goes off of light. So whenever it reads the light and then it goes across the shadow of the object, that's where our calculation is going to take place. So what Davey's going to do is he's going to start off by coming over here to his box, and he's going to hit the auto manual button on the box. Okay, and that actually selects the auto manual mode. We need to hit it again there, Davey. It didn't come up. There we go. See how it is red? So we want to hit that. Now, what we want to do is we want to find out, you can see the readings over here, we want to find out the radius. So there is a circle button on here. Davey's going to push that circle button. When he pushes the circle, it's going to say probe circle P3, which means 3 points of that arc he needs to probe. So what he's going to do is he's going to come up here and he is going to cross that shadow right there 3 times in 3 places. He crossed it there, he crossed it over on the side, and he crossed it again there. Now whenever we look at these numbers, the top number would be the radius, 0.245, the bottom number would be the diameter, 0.2 or 0.490. Alright, if that is a 1/4 inch radius gauge, that's saying it's within 5/1000ths of being an actual 1/4 inch. Now it may have a little bit of wear on it, and if we want to double check it, we can probe it again. The more places you probe it, the more accurate it would be. So if Davey wanted to check it again, he could probe here, maybe here, and over here to see if we get a different reading. So let's try that again, Davey. Let's probe those 3 points to see what kind of readings we get. So you probed over there and see if it comes up any different. Now he's going to probe over on the other side, and it comes up 246. So it's roughly about the same thing. So our radius gauge must have a little bit of wear. But when you're calculating out, the top number is the radius, the bottom number is the diameter. That's how you would go about finding the radius of your part.